Welcome to our lesson number 5. Today we are going to learn about some translation, and that will be so interesting. Let's get started. First one is সে একটি মাছ ধরেছিল। He caught a fish. He caught a fish. Do you know? He caught a fish. We can say like this, okay? Another one is. Do you know? তুমি কি এটা ওখানে রাখতে পারো? Can you keep it there? Can you keep it there? Can you keep it there? Excuse me, Mom. Can you keep it there? We can say like this, okay? Or we can say with our father, anyone. Okay, then the number 3 is তুমি কি আমার বন্ধু? Are you my friend? Are you my friend? Are you my friend? Then তুমি কি খেলবে? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? And we have a shortcut. A shortcut word. Yes, like this. If we say, I want to go market, but we say in shortcut that wanna means I wanna go market. I wanna go sleep. Please, Mom, I wanna go sleepy. আমার অনেক ঘুম আসছে. I'm so sleepy. Mom, I'm so sleepy. Then আমি বাজারে যাইতেছি. I'm gonna home. আমরা বাজারে যাচ্ছি, এটা হবে না, হবে হলো I'm gonna home. Why I'm saying the gonna means going to, okay? It's also a shortcut word, and this was for today. Bye bye.